Our next candidates to give the closing statement, Fred Battaglia and Dave Hall.
Well, good evening again. I want to thank, it's been a privilege to be here tonight around our future leaders. I expect all of you to be leaders. You're here tonight to be around people that are elected officials or want to be elected officials that put themselves out there in our community. It is very difficult to put yourself out in the community. So I'm looking forward to reading about you all one day, and I know that I will. I enjoy your age group because you all have great ideas. I'm getting young enough to appreciate, I'm once a man, twice a child, and I'm getting to that point. I'm a grandfather now. And I love children though, because I teach Sunday school for 20 years and I teach high school kids because I want to know what the next generation is thinking. Your generation will be totally different from ours. You will have issues of artificial intelligence to deal with at its budding stage. But what I've chosen to do with my life is to dedicate it to the criminal justice system as an attorney. I was a private practice for 29 years here in Durham. All my career has been here in Durham with all the people of Durham. I practiced in both state and federal work. I handled about 35 murder cases on down. Did the last death penalty case in Durham that went to jury in 1997. So I've been in the trenches, helping everyone. I used to love representing youth at my church or around the community to try to restore them so they wouldn't never come back to the criminal justice system. Today in our society, you have issues that I didn't have to deal with. Opioid addiction, fentanyl, those issues that kill people. I'm the drug court treatment judge for the past 4 years. So I help restore people to their lives, or attempt to, in an 18-month program with very little money. People that are disenfranchised from our society, that have been in active addiction for 40 years, that society has forgotten sometimes, and they're going into prison again. So I take that individual with a team and try to restore them not only to the community, to work, but most important with their families. And that's what I've dedicated the last part of my career to. I've given up my private practice to serve in that capacity. And I humbly ask for your vote. Thank you very
Next is Dave.